breath of the kittens. The kittens press together, trembling. One strike. That is all it takes. In the desert, a heartbeat can become silence in a single breath. The mother returns like a sandstorm unleashed. Instantly, she strikes. The mother turns to the fallen kitten. She grips it gently with her jaws. A dead young must not remain to attract scavengers. The snake returns, slow, calculating. The mother breaks into a desperate sprint. She throws herself between the fangs and the two survivors. She is the living gate to the nursery. The mother moves with ghost-like agility. Each step calculated. Her body bends and twists with feline grace. Kittens huddle close. They cannot defend themselves. They rely entirely on the mother. Their fate hangs on her skill. The rattlesnake rises, swaying, seeking an opening at her throat. Each tests the other's limits. Rattlesnakes are ambush predators. Venom potent, lethal. It immobilizes prey instantly. Stealth and precision make it one of the desert's most efficient hunters. Teeth and scales collide in a frantic, suffocating whirlwind of sand. The rattlesnake twists and writhes, racing across the sand. Speed is its only hope, but the mother is relentless. She will not let it vanish, not without justice. The only ending she will accept is his death by her jaws. The cat's whiskers twitch forward, calculating the distance to the millimeter. Eyes fixed on the rattlesnake. One precise strike, one bite to the head, and the threat ends. It strikes with lightning speed. Fangs aimed at her throat. Coils twist, tightening. Every strike, every dodge, a test of survival. Neither yielding, both honed by instinct and fury. For a heartbeat, the world holds its breath. But the mother weaves through danger, agile and fierce. The strike misses, she stands unbroken, still alive, still hunting. Her kittens cannot be left alone again. She surges forward, claws strike in rapid succession. The snake's coils begin to tear. Wounds open along its twisting body. It writhes injured, but she does not slow. Then comes the final move. Teeth sink, claws grip the coils. She shakes it with fierce intent, a storm of fury unleashed. Every motion screams revenge. The throat of the serpent is torn open. The rattle falls silent, lifeless. She continues to bite until the head is severed. She begins to feed, turning the killer into the fuel she needs to nurse the living. Vengeance and survival become one. The mother has taken her revenge and secured a meal.